Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. Guzman. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling very happy. Cheer up, everyone. Today is Thursday. The week is almost over. Let's move on to the Pledge of Allegiance. Let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now, the Texas Pledge. Under the Texas flag, I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Today's core value is respect others. In Idea 55, when meeting new people, shake hands and repeat their names. In the bottom, you can see a very pretty picture of an apple shaking an orange's hand. As you can tell, they are both making eye contact. The Essential 55. Rule number 4. Respect others, other students' comments, opinions, and ideas. Hashtag respect. Let's review. Remember, when you meet new people, be respectful, courteous, and honest. Shake their hands and make eye contact. Let's move on to the days of the week. First off, we start the week on a Monday. Then Tuesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Then the weekend begins on Saturday. Then Sunday. Today we are Thursday, September 10, 2020. Let's review the months of the year. First off, we start with January, then February, then March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and lastly, December. Reminder to everyone, go out and stay active. Whether it's outside or inside home, make sure you get at least your 30 minutes of playtime, whether if it's on your own, with your friends, your siblings, or your parents, even your grandparents. Just go out and have some fun. But remember, stay hydrated. Today's agenda is IEP goals. This week's social skills lesson is the importance of sharing. If you can see the little picture down low, those two kids are sharing a ball. And lastly, teacher contact information. All right, peacocks, let's have a great day.